What is cryptocurrency? It is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating independently of a central bank. What it basically means is your current currency is issued by the central bank and it's like managed through a network of banks. Therefore, they are verifying it on each and every level, and therefore, to pay taxes and all that stuff. Whereas a cryptocurrency is not managed or operated by a central bank, and it is highly encrypted. So no one can just hack in and see the data if you own XYZ funds or not. So it's really safe. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency developed in 2009. Since then, many new cryptocurrencies are formed and are known as altcoin. Cryptocurrencies are all based on decentralization, which means they are not like operated by one known entity or one known computer. They are decentralized. They are available on many network of computers. Therefore, it's really hard to get data or to hack in and steal those funds. In centralized banking and economic system, such as the Federal Reserve System, government control the supply of currency by printing paper money. That's where you see that government is saying interest rate will be increased, they will be issuing more paper money and all that stuff. If a country is good, its currency rises. Otherwise, its currency falls. And that's what you are seeing around the world. Example, Venezuela. Its currency is going down, down, down because they are printing more and more money each and every day. So you are in a fix because the government knows how much money you own, they can tax you, and on the flip side, they can print more money, which decreases the value of your money in your bank. This is what a centralized banking or economic system is. Whereas in the case of decentralized cryptocurrency, companies or government cannot produce new units. Therefore, it's not under any government control. So, this is what is cryptocurrency. Thank you.